Hey, what's good? It's your boy Riccomentals, and I'm trying to name one video, a different one from what I usually do. And I'm trying to react to ngoma tangwe. I asked you guys to like send me songs on Facebook, so I react. But then I'll be focusing more on the beats, not the songs, cause I won't be reacting lyrics and stuff like that. I can't react to the beat. So yeah, ba kumbe ayibi. Is it dope or trash? And I'm going to be honest right now. I'm not going to be biased. So now the first track I have, it's a logo ngopfu, right? Yeah, it's ngopfu, something like that. The face oh it's ngopfu. So like some of you guys send me like the MP3. I like send the link. I want links. I'm reacting only on links, not like MP3. So the first track I insert it.
Yeah, say it.
First thing, the mastering is bad, but then the beat, I think, is a downloaded beat or need to.
Topsking THB and Lady K. Say it. So cool, man. Yeah.
Hey, the sub on the beat is lit, man, and they're like, what you call? They're like orchestral sound, like fun, it's dope. I mess with it. And then there comes my network.
So cool, man.
A snare show I stuck ngopfu, but then it's not bad. Like, you know, this snare was trending like not so long ago, so it's not bad. But I stuck al finish na acha. Ooh, the beat switch up is lit, man. It's crazy. Look what change a lie. What are you doing? I like that. That's unique and that's nice. And then I switch sometimes you can switch a beat. Like switch ups, they're like very, very difficult to do. So like congratulations to the producer, whoever it is, cause but then if it's a downloaded beat, then I'll be disappointed because I'll be reacting to someone who won't even watch the video. Oh, it's a vocal. Wow, that's amazing. Whoever produced the song, you did good, but then the vocals, they sound bad. But that part, you did good. The chorus, I don't know if it chorus can be in. I can say it's better than the intro. Intro liar rasa, guys. Intro, always when you produce intro, if I never at least 50% less than the verse or the chorus, or like 40 or like 60. Intro must be low, cause intro look your rasa, cause I'm assuming beat so boy you low. So like intro rasa title FFR and then to sound way too bad. So the chorus near volume I think is sharp. Let me listen again. Unless I wouldn't advise that. I would advise Kuro keep like if like you want to pen it, you pay it all now. And when I pen 100%, like I'm so going to lead vocal and then two at all penalling one ka left, penalling one ka right. Like even kick 50%. Don't say 100. Cause marasese what you did uisal. So no, even kick nkwaku so you selling one aka left so you selling one aka left 50%, you selling one aka right 50%. No, wanna call left, yeah, right, yeah, whatever. Let's listen. The beat from now on, I truly believe maybe it's a downloaded beat. Like it's like they're not really download a bit late. And if this video has a copyright cause of this part, cause of this track, I'm removing this part. So yeah. Now I'm gonna verse, right? I said I wouldn't react to the lyrics, but I just can't help myself, cause like, let's do it like this, man. React the mastering process, get the vocal and the beat, right? I won't react to like what you're saying. I don't know if you used autotune or pitcher, but if you used pitcher, please don't I there's pitcher, there's autotune. Yeah, the key, it's almost right, but then like doesn't sound good. The artists, like they are nice, but then whoever makes that mustard, bro, come on, you sleeping on your artists. They are dope, man. I think man, this thing is going to make me sound so bad. And then here again, man, some people do it, but I wouldn't like recommend it. I mean, like, imagine look like let's take Ureka performance and then like mix it all with the left and right, because it happens. The mixer right left right and track away aya wool like ngopfu beat and so that's why I wouldn't recommend that. That's something 50-50. Even if locomono sound there you bite one, they will still listen to the full track. Network, I mean. Okay, that's right. So yeah, ngopfu. I think I won't react to the full song because the video is long. So far, whoever munoko like take those advices I gave you, like take one, just try and take it, like take the advice I gave you. Now we go to what's this? F.L.A.S featuring, oh my god, Manotry and Young OG. Guys, please don't send me songs which have copyrights, cause it won't be cool, bro. I can't monetize this video because of a copyright. So let me listen. The one Latin bella kusha. Woo! God damn, that's fire, bro. Even if this beat you download don't put a reverb on hi-hats. Guys, you still have to put reverb on vocals. Chill at the hi-hats or chill at the bells. Like the whole track will be just flooded. Don't put bruh. It's like putting reverb on an 808. It's crazy. Don't do that, bro. I get mad because you know what I'm saying, because production. I love production, and I know you guys love production also. We all made mistakes, logo songo, so. Please.
Hey, I wake up in the morning, feel like a star. I keep on hoping that the boss out the cup. Boss it open, I'ma take her to the top. The money on me made me feel like a boss. I wake up in the morning, feel like a star. I keep on hoping that the boss out the cup. Boss it open, I'ma take her to the top. The money on me made me feel like a boss. I came so far, and I can't stop now. So I can say that the power is right in my head. I came so far that I can stop now. Let me say that the power is right in my head. Go hard, flow.
You guys are playing with me, bro. Here there is nothing to like comment on. It was only the hi-hat thing which I can comment on. The beat is lit. It's dope. No cap. The vocals is clean, crispy. Clean.
No nigga, don't sell, I don't take drugs, but I'm doped up. Finna try, always pull up on the showtime, and I'm a real beast. Oh God.
The auto-tune is nice, bro. The auto-tune is, you know, I won't react on the lyrics cause you know we have channels for that. I'll react on the mastering and the beat. The kid is making noise. Bro, can you wait auto-tune like in Mara, whoever's doing this, I don't know if it's the name which I can't pronounce, or like Young OG or F.L.A.S, but whoever it is, you guys is lit, man. I should check more of your songs.
Boy, you can smoke with it, old thugs. Better go with the flow. I'm proposing a toast to the ones that I know that they show love. Fear nobody can cage me. Feel like I'm taking attitude way. The king of the jungle, my inner voice rumbles. I'm eager for trouble, I'm never afraid. I bet you can tell that the battle is mine. My armor on as I get ready to fight. I'm fighting for purpose, I'm fighting for life. The ones in my circle, I show you the light. I wake up in the morning, feel like a star. I keep on hoping that the boss on the
Still, there's nothing to comment on. Everything is like way too dope. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Niri kombela mi subscribe, mi like, mi comment, mi pressa bell le kuri every time you want post a video, mi tava notified. Let's continue with the video.
Boss it open, I'ma take all the top. The money on me made me feel like a boss. I wake up in the morning, feel like a star. I keep on hoping that the boss on the cup. Boss it open, I'ma take all the top. The money on me made me feel like a boss. I came so far, and I can stop now. So I can say that the power is right in my head. I came so far that I can stop now.
I can't stop.
Let me say
So
that
fuck
the
this
power
nigga.
is right in my head.
Let me try to deliver my message. I came with a pencil, the feet like it's magic. Battle this beast like a fucking assassin. Deliver this heat like a motherfucking master. Most of these boys I'm compared to an average.
So here on this verse, the verse is not distortion. I don't know if it's way too loud. Commission Mundo record there like too close on the mic, but then in that distortion. And then the bass, the like low frequency, like I don't know if it's my headphones, but then let's there's distortion. So, and that's not good, bro. Cause you fair in a way.
Couple of thug bitches below my standards. Show some respect, where your motherfucking manners. You made me sick like some motherfucking.
Are you doing look you where is your manners? Distortion there way too much.
Gladders. Funny thing is you busted your awareness. You telling no facts, you just talk out your anus. I'm busted in front of your bitch like a burner. You might be pro, but to me you a learner. I never knew you was never a fan of you. I grab your thoughts and forget the shit out of you. Kill everybody you love in your area. Get that little bitch that you wish you could marry you. If anybody's the best in this class would be me, so it's fuck all the rest. I'm making moves all the west. Getting his views like a buzz in the nest.
I wake up in the morning, feel
So other than that, everything is way too dope. I won't react to the full song. Marlens, I mean, keep push. Other than that, the track is dope. I like it. I like everything about it. The only thing, let's see, comment show is the reverb. Got the hi hats. Nah, verse here, the one who was rapping in a distortion. So that's the only thing. And now let's go to mfanna loco Kobe. Man, you guys gotta understand, bro. Some things I can't read, bro. It's way too crazy for me. Produced by Ydida, mfanna loco, and be Kobe, bro. Featuring TM.
Okay.
Produced by Ydida. This is a music video, I think.
Ydida.
Jip, loko ndzi fika sentle ku nga mopi. Tic-tac still aim for distance, it's sloppy. Coming for everything slice, it's all to any trap, I know. I need dance at the jockey, ball to score, I need this team. Shot ne fuck up a linda.
Saloko lo kwala ungata chakameta ko. That's crazy, bro.
Kobe, this game in Ghana, he has.
And I ask myself, and if you see this video, please do also
I be on my ground all night. Push it this Spanish and go bang on my jam. Saka yak tanganish pai, but sama ko po and if you can it's sama ting tam. Kobe.
Oh, it's Kobe. Then here they wrote Kobe. And then called Kobe. So yeah.
Kobe. Yo, the niggas these days never turn around rap, they be out there run their mouth. fuck what they say, we don't pay no attention.
The mastering is nice, the beat it's nice, the mastering is nice. The only thing, bruh, I'll always have something to say. Even if like another person listens to tracks I produce, they'll always have something to say, because that's how it is. You can never get it right, bro. You can never get it right, local producer. You can never, bro. No matter, even Dr. Dre, bro, you can never get it right, bro. So the only thing I can say right here, listening to the high frequency, which is the tweet, so you can use a de-easer for that. You can use a de-easer to like control the S, like you, yeah, and see the coca. Then it will help your vocals sound better, and I think I try it in there.
Nigga, if you're talking the guap, I'm all about blue cheese. You niggas tryna beef, I cut off the plate like I had enough. Back to competition, near one on the block, 11 and 2. Ain't fucking with squad boys, I'm soft, you got them sissy balloons. You can't even drop a song, but I cut to my wood. Me my savage, but every time I'm all around you, I'm doing a melon, got him coming to go tech. Shit is like 1, 2, 3, I'm going to go, but Mike test lyrical bullets for me.
The big change is crazy.
Kobe, intellect, Kobe, intellect, Kobe. Chip, look and see if I send like a mopi. Big black still M4 distance, it's stoppy. Coming for everything, slice it all to any trap. I know, I need dance at the jockey. Ballin' to score, I need this team. Shot me, fuck up, Linda Kobe. This game in Ghana, he has fun, but take a clown. I be on my ground all night. Push it, this Spanish, and go bang on my damn. Saka yak tanganish by, but some go poor and if you can, it's time I think down. Kobe.
Let's just talk bong and the show. We do them sometimes. It's actually nice, but then the volume you must control it. And the logo called picture like go picture. And it's maybe I think it's from by the 5th to come to 20. Like sometimes now for no picture like logo picture stinchana na tone, stinchana key. For no picture she got the same key as the vocal. Also picture shomboloka na main vocal swajo, which is resulting in this right here. They are like the shock bong and na vocal ya Kobe Bryant way, like it's not on the same key.
Kobe. All this if you never tie fist in these rappers on the mic, I'm feeling like a cannibal. Don't you dare.
So since I'm gonna let me go to TM. I think this can I go to TM la. Maybe there ain't no TM here, bro. So I think this one was nice, bro. If I'm not late now, it's not bad. The advice go what they did bro. Is it Hoyzela? Shikulu, bro. Can I even stream here or I have to download? Cause if I'm downloading, I'm not reacting on the song. I have to stream. I don't want to download. How are you going to benefit if I'm downloading? No, this is a preview. I'll just react on the preview.
She complicated. She complicated.
At the beat letter, so I don't usually make them, so I don't have anything to say on. I don't know if I'm also learning them, cause that's not my. I don't even know if I'm also learning them, cause that's not my style, bro. I don't do these beats, to be honest. I endless, so I won't react on it. I'll just react on the vocals. Yeah, these are the songs which have like a bunch of auto tunes, so. It's hard for it's hard to like listen to anything. But I like this song. It's nice. It's something which you can play with your significant other. So I think 3 tomorrow. We're also going to do 3. This is all the links, and I'm going to my Facebook post and got the comments, because like some of you couldn't text me on WhatsApp, so next got the link down there. Yeah, as I said, guys, please like the video, subscribe with the YouTube algorithm. So please like the video, subscribe, comment. I could like if you feel like I was wrong somewhere, Meshani. Yeah, just tell me on the comment section, and then if you also want to submit your tracks comment down below with your email or I don't know, cause you can't post your links on my comment section. That's just crazy. So just hit me up with your numbers on Facebook. I'll text you guys on WhatsApp, or yeah, you can just send the links on Facebook once, cause some of you don't got WhatsApp and stuff like that. So without further ado, it's your boy Riccomentals, and I'm signing out.